Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers at the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel is all about saving life, and that's our main priority here. Yes, we are not beholden to any political parties in Jamaica or anywhere, but we support the party or government who is willing to make Jamaican people's lives better, especially when it comes on to security. We would like to see the culture of the people change, by instilling these youths ethics, moral, decency, truthfulness, and to get rid of all the muck and this culture erosion that has been taken over and infiltrate our people's mind in Jamaica. You understand? So, that's what we're all about here, reading, and these youths need to read more. So, we are all about saving lives here at the channel, at the Jamaica Young Police channel. But some lives are not worth saving. They have lived a parasitic life and we're not contributing citizens to the society. Hence, we'd like to find a way to get rid of them by any means necessary. The Jamaica Young Police channel is not for criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, beneficiaries, sympathizers, excuse specialists, and head hunchers in criminal underworld. At the channel, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we aid criminals with a passion. Yes, especially the criminal police officers. Yes, have you ever heard of this documents always prove liars to be liars? So today we're gonna let you listen to a conversation that we had with a man, asking him some tough question about the killing of Fowl and Oney British. We want you to listen for yourself, and you come to your own conclusion whether this man is involved or not, and you will let us know at the comments, in the comment sections. You understand? We are not beholden to anyone. Drug dealers, criminals, politicians, none of them in Jamaica. We are not beholden to anyone, because we don't involve in nefarious things. All we have done in our life is policing. We know people of all walks of life. So I want you to listen to this conversation. People will try to do all kind of things, but always remember, police officers, one person you trust in life, me, myself, and I, because there's no honest criminals. You understand? Yes, when we say there's no honest criminal, there's none. So this man that we had spoken to, in which we were trying to get to the bottom of certain things, and I want you to listen to when we had asked him some tough questions, and listen to him. You watch, you listen, you decide.
Homeboy, because you know, someone called Fowl, homeboy.
Yeah, man, I know that, man.
He said, me and homeboy, and we are talking about you and so long. And me I say, look at that thing. And me and him have such a good conversation and so happy. Because you know, we are big people, we are getting on with the life, but we're still very close.
Yeah.
Then a couple of days after that, somebody called me from Morocco and said, me something, and of course I said, I'm a virgin like that when we go from Grange Farm. I said, listen to your phone. You hear your name out. And then when I listen to the voice note, me hear the voice note. And when I listen to the voice note, I said, I was shocked.
So you say yeah, because you're a nephew. Him say, yeah, so we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, it's all about education, information, and to inspire other people to think. We just want to change the mindset of the people. We want people to denounce criminality in every way, you understand? Especially when you're killing other people, and then you pretend like you're innocent and you have nothing, and you're an archangel and all this. So we want you, our loyal viewers and subscribers, to you watch, you listen, and you decide. You understand? To listen to what this man is saying. This man is related to the man that we're talking to. We're not going to use his current name. His name is Cool Breeze. You understand? And from information received and obtained, it is alleged that he's a convicted drug dealer. Yes, this is the man that Wayne Uglyson was defending his character. And I would like you jump anyone all over the world to name me one honest criminal, to show me an honest criminal. To show me an honest criminal. Any one of you. So, we'll continue the journey, because I want you to listen to what his nephew is saying, you know. And from there, you can get a whether or not, if this man wasn't celebrating the death of the men, that is his nephew. Oh, no one in my family did not put out anything celebrating the death of these men. Because we weren't involved. And he's a family member. So for him to be saying all of these things, he have to be privy to the information. So we want you to listen to this man and to continue to, after you listen to, you watch, you listen, you decide, and continue the journey. And you decide for yourself what is true and what is lies.
I said, all one blood clot PJ, yeah, him, the one where I'm first started with the dance thing. Him, all of them are shit, them blood clot, bumbo clot pants, you see. Yeah, cause of somebody with them least explicit, then them a call up their name and I go and I guess in game, them the pan, you know. But sometimes corruption I get fucked up from all different angles. Them a go chat and call because them a panic, so them a go say this and that. Them a get to me and say, a long time them a corruption, man. A long time them a corruption, man. So I say maybe my uncle is who he is. Maybe me that get sucked in a little bit more, but him just help for come and find him on the road, bust him out, them go do them thing and that, and him stay so him know him keep the link. You get to me, I say, and my auntie husband clearing blood clot, 2 breeze, and Lorraine, 2 my auntie and my uncle make theirs a rifle. If it wasn't for my uncle auntie, he would have know England, if you come here, come make a bag of money and this and that and turn idiot and corrupt the place. Eh? There wouldn't be no blood, nobody would have know about him. Remember, say somebody that tell me know from a little bit, you know, because when I'm there with my auntie friend, you know, when you're down it, you know. Remember, every day I used to come sit down on the step, you know, because I'm that mad over down it, pussy, you know, I think I know everything. Yeah. Then I come bumbo clot, jump up and I come to somebody like a janko worm them. Father, foul, father, this, father, that, like them know anything, but them know about this. And you call me as a big man and I say, Fowl, bring in the youth. Want to do the right thing, bring in the youth them. Alright, when you don't know, say, never mind, you say, all that pussy, I come here, go do what I feel. Yeah, man, go around the thing, see that? Everybody I come jump up, then them come murder my little brother, put on top of it, add insult to injury. Fire must burn them skin. Fire must burn them skin, brethren. You chain it, Mr. Two me never talk, I never know about Money. Money had it a nice good youth. Because Money refused them and I say, oh, no man, do nothing man, I do my little thing, I do my little project for myself. That's all, you know. And that's all blood because the man refused them and I say, oh no build nothing man, just like you see a man and then dash your Friday gone build film thing and hold on pan the youth send him Chris fucking Range Rover go give brand new thing when nobody not put them rascal batty pan. You first put your batty pan the man seat. And when the thing them done and you say, so with my apartment, then one and the man give him the thing as a deposit. I say, alright, how much more I forget now and I get the key. Be a go around him and I'll drive everything in the back and car. Oh, me a man a bad man a wreck up on them too. And then make corruption and money get to their head, because I film that alone for their Jamaican do hip replacement and do body and breast and them alone for live by them their Hollywood. You get to me, I say, coupon them too. Yo, me just there and you know see, all you have to do is just stay silent when the shit happens till you find out what happened, man, and the truth come out, it just come out and there's nothing nobody can do. Cause look, everybody that create excitement and him dead and gone, and nobody even say nothing about him. Corruption. You get to me, I say, I can't believe that the man come to me on the phone and I side the man, he don't want me to take with him because I know the connection that me have a gully. Yeah. And you see, God is always with me because he's a justified person. I tell him the truth. I say, just bring in the youth them because that's the only way that can avoid innocent blood check or to look innocent. You get me? I said, so fire have to burn them soul from heaven, brethren. And fuck off and go. Whole lot of them want to creep up from over there and carry over blood clot because we got tie rope on them. They can throw them off. That them want fucking set up on the place down there. Eh? When them a fire shut off a Pitney brethren. When that ever happen in a Cockburn pen, then imagine if that in our time. Can you imagine how that would have mad every day, man, that depend every day. We couldn't stop that in Babylon, could have stopped it. But shut off a Pitney, we are play blood, innocent Pitney. The man them go mad, Rasta. Listen to me, Jamaican people, yeah? I want to listen to me properly. You see, me have a friend and me take somebody for my friend and them go voice note me and wake me out of my bed or them voice note me. If me take them for my friend and them send me things where them say them are here, me I go relate back to them when me think, you know. And you see me, the whole of this thing when me I try say from long time where me write up on Facebook and me beg you know, me say people me I beg you know, tell the man them where make Tulu Smith dead to do the right thing by bringing them in. Bringing the youth them to do it, or the police them go find them and bring them in to avoid innocent bloodshed. Yeah? If you don't listen to my message good, the point where me I try to make is that Rifle was like an uncle. If it wasn't for my auntie and my uncle, there wouldn't be a Rifle in England. Maybe it would have been Rifle somewhere else, but it's my auntie husband received this man in England. Now the whole of my family life jeopardized because me just a snake. I talk to him, I vent my anger because me there in England 3 years ago when Tulu dead. He never have nothing really to do with me because I'm my cousin, little brother. You understand? Now, me there, and because the whole world know, because everybody knows the Rifle and my uncle are best friend. Look how much more man them want to talk about running man. Everybody knows that Rifle love my uncle and my uncle Breeze love Rifle. Yeah? Now when him call me, he said to me, say, boy nephew, me glad me get you because the man them a bully a be a war. This man I said that the man they said that. What you think me fi do? Me say, uncle, before man and God I swear upon all of me Pitney them life. Me say to him, say, bring in your youth. Bring in your youth. If you can't bring in, if you can't manage to bring in the rest, ask W for help you to bring in the rest of the youth. Before man and a creator. Now, all of the things that happen after that, everybody notice how I'm silent and I just stay silent because I can't take corruption. I'm not afraid of evil, you know. I am not afraid of evil. Evil supposed to be vanquished. People can't get up the pin in them down them and a bus shut off of them. People can't walk back shop. People can't live in peace. Everybody in a fear. Everybody has said this. Everybody has said that. At the end of the day, me sure no son of members say me right up and say me just want justice for Tulu. And try, I want justice for every ghetto youth. Every youth now ghetto that them can get up and walk up and down and feel free for go work, do what them do, and feel, say them have the backing of the police, so when somebody do wrong, the police can take them and bring them in. Now this is a one vice note me. And me vice note him back a couple of times, eh? And see me just as send out him vice note and all, because me never expect say if me go tell him so boy everything them a try shoot pan way. From this man dead and my little brother dead. Me a hear say my uncle can't come to Jamaica, me can't come to Jamaica, my brother funeral, my brother in a problem, this a one that can't come. What all this have to do with we when all we was and were was a family friend to this man. You understand me? Then he turned on for my little mad brother. Look how much man chop him up at Jamaica, one-on-one. Then bust him head, then stab him up how much time. You understand me? Uno lick him down, doing this, doing that. Me go the two sides. Me know everybody a gully. Me know everybody a brady for it. Because I two sides me born and go. Cockburn pen on my place. You understand me? I said to you. This youth call my phone, make me voice note my phone. Advise him up in and I say, well then, appear corruption me here I go on down there, which me nah go put my mouth and talk, as appear corruption I go on down there, Rasta. You understand? Man a broke man foot with van and this and me, I say, well all of them things have to do with me. This and man, I say that and way, and this and one holy party at the end of the day. The whole place turn upside down. You understand? What reason me have to kill Rifle? What reason me have to kill Father Fowl and my first man give me £500 and me come to England? Eh? Jamaican people, if you not look at scapegoat, if you looking at how me talk from time and look, if you can't take me and make me not scapegoat. Because Father God won't say these two hands are clean. I have no reason to kill for me live in England. Me live in England and do my little work and them things and I take care of my 12 bomb clad in them. I have no time to talk about me and me not want. What Jamaica concern for me? More than when I send money for my kids them. I have to cut out the fuck and start. Listen to my voice and understand say me have vent my anger. Because corruption leads to corruption, and last week I write it up on Facebook, you know, immorality and corruption. This boy and him girl, yeah, in a some kind of argument and mix up over me, because I don't know why I'm trying to press her about me. She tell him about she love my swag and this and that, and I don't fuck my friend woman them. You understand? So maybe because me shun people advances, I don't know what went wrong. But I think this was my friend, so I could have tell him how I feel, and I say, yeah, them man, then who wouldn't vex? My little brother don't do nobody not rasta. No, my whole family not problem and everybody has said this and everybody has said that. Listen to me, I tell you before man and God, you know. More lightning and judgment and thunder but take on a Jamaica and account. No love blood, no love corruption, and it look like foolishness. Sweet, you know. It's sweet, you know, but I tell you Jamaican people, no need to change, you know. You don't need to change, you don't need to start work with the police government and people to fuck and bring them out to the police government and face justice. Make the community can live in a peace. You understand that speaking them can go play no man and bust no fucking shot off of them and pick them and fire up and down. You understand? If a man do a man something, man supposed to can come together and say, you know something, if you go spend a year, so you spend a year, so to make the community run right. You don't stop from put foul killing power, we can't well and blood clot, no say nah, man, for bomb up clot do it. You understand? You know dirty stinking fucking junk, you know stop it. You understand? I mix up the whole of me, mix up the whole of my family and them things. At the end of the day, we got no reason to kill Fowl. You understand me? Fowl is my uncle best friend. You know my uncle ain't gonna ball out in here that he couldn't get Fowl funeral because as a man dead there you say this and that and we can't go here. Your little cousin name a call up on one bag of corruption. You know if you change judgment and lightning and brimstone out, take one up from heaven.
Yeah, so you know, whether or not you want to believe what you're hearing, that is Cool Breeze nephew. If that man was not, his name is Antoine, if that man was privy to the information that is out there, that he puts out there about what happened to Fowl and one of the British, he could not have said it. Oh, I haven't said anything. Oh, there's no other person in the world that have said in a private message to someone rejoicing that both men were killed. And that their family had something to do with it. I know they are saying that they have nothing to do with it. He's the one that said it, you know, not me. As we say, you know, there's no honest criminal. He's the one that said it. So based on Cool Breeze is his uncle, he could not just get up and say things like that. And he's trying to justify why he said it. And to him, he was having a private conversation and he did not know that it would leak. That's how it is, you know. There's no honest criminal. You understand? So, and the person that that made the voice note public, I applaud you as a good informer. That's what informers do. Informers do the right thing because you know that both men, irrespective of what they used to do in their lives, they have family members too. And for you to kill them without justification and you have a hand in it is to expose them. You understand? So people can infer from this voice note and come to their own conclusion. So I want you to listen. So while we continue the conversation with the man of the moment, the man in the middle, Cool Breeze, that's his nephew, because we like to refresh people with things, you know, because you know criminals, you know, criminals are not honest people, you know. Because they will tell you that nothing no go so, you know. So that's why we play this, make you hear this over to remind you of who we are talking with. Because we don't, over here, we don't spread propaganda and lies on people, you know. So we continue the journey. I want you to listen to this man whilst we continue. You know, yeah, because
him talk like me, and I talk about me. Just, me over this one, Even Oney, I'm a brethren like that. I'm a bona fide brethren.
Yeah, but
real talk.
Yeah, but Breeze, all my talk and them thing, them sound like him a register. Say Fowl dead, based on what him a say, and him happy, and him happy.
Thank you very much. So you see, even this last one that you put out now, yeah, and to be honest with you, he's not a social media person. I just want to live my life private.
Yeah.
Anyway, let me explain. Even this one that you put out now, I realize It's two of them. When him just come out and a chatting bag of rubbish about homeboy and Wandsworth. And then now you splice it within the second one when come out and I said, a homeboy the first man give him 5 bills and all. That is when me send my next brother got talk. I say, I know I'm gonna talk to him and I swear to you know. I know to this day I don't communicate to that man. Because when I send up, tell him say, because too bad to be honest with you.
Nothing wrong, hey, Breeze. Nothing wrong with that and thing there.
And then him go back on the thing now and go start talk about homeboy. I try to polish up when him don't disrespect the man them already. Listen to me, man. Honesty is honesty. I can understand what you're trying to do. But what I would love, what I would appreciate if you had have done is try to get through to PG, try to get through to Lena British, try to get through to some people in a homeboy inner circle. I run my file. I hear for them take from me. You know when they go where they go with PG said to me, I'm not just only comforted till my work one him said to me. After them voice note to come home, I called £200. I said £200.
Yeah.
We so embarrassed. We need to talk to PJ, but it's a straight embarrassment. And when I actually talk to PJ, you know PJ said to me, say, he said to me, say, Breeze, don't worry yourself. The love that me and you and homeboy have for each other, it is unbreakable. And that man said to me, you know, so me just take that as comfort and know, say, the people that really know me, no, sir. We don't have nothing to do with no stupidness. We don't have a clue as to who the what. Even most I don't know him. I honestly don't know the person.
I don't know no man over Gully.
I don't know him. Come here, music me I deal with.
Yeah, but him say related to Tule.
Tule, yes.
Yeah, him say una and Tule are family. And the thing is that now with Fame thing now, Breeze, with Fowl thing. If them want to kill Fowl's son, they not kill Fowl's son. All them kill.
Do it. All the man get involved in that if that's the case. That's what I always say.
All right.
That's why I tell them I don't even like talk about it to no man. Every time I talk about the picture of him lying down on the ground come up in my head.
Well, honestly, I don't remember him like that and him thing. I remember him as a happy and a jovial man and him thing.
Who boy?
Yeah man, Fowl, yeah man. You understand?
That's true.
Because between me and him thing, Fowl, between me and you, Breeze, I can't tell you this. All of the years, all of the nearly 17 years that owns me and him thing there. I can't tell you this. Me never hear your name called in a nothing say you give a man no gun or buy no man a shot and
not that guy.
yeah man, me can't tell a man that you are Fowl, you understand? You know, because nobody can say that and them thing about Fowl. Nobody now say boy it's a man with gunman no go check him and them thing because so go from you come from the ghetto.
Hey, I want to show you. I cut down so short. You know how much time they are homeboy. A reason. I can't call me small man. He say small man and me call him big nose. Or I call him homeboy. And he said, look for me. We don't want a gun. We can get license gun because we are capable. But we don't want it. What we are doing it? That's something we are talking about all the while. We know that man has a loving man, respectful man. People still, why painful that man? We tell you the truth. To be honest with you, it's sad. It's really sad. At the end of the day, it's only recently, you know.
I'm going to say, I'm European talk. I'm with them, man. I'm European talk. I think so we don't know no Rasta in your family more than your big brother. So anyone who say you want to make it from Rasta.
Yeah, man. The one that on the video is my nephew. It's true. It's my nephew. That I will 100%. You know him, but you know me, boy. Because I'm there for a long time. You understand me? You understand? I mean it sensei. It is so embarrassing. All these years I have lived here so and back and forth on the island. I just deal with my music, my sound, and I try to help people who me can help. And then this was a bombshell for me. The same pain where you are feel, I feel it too. And sometimes I feel it even more than you. Because I'm not telling a lie. The last set of conversation me and homeboy have me always I tell him say, if you left somebody, the girl them down there for me when they come. And so that man live.
Portal was saying full of girl. Portal was saying full of girl, man.
Yeah, man. Homeboy.
The last one see before I'm dead. That one I last one I see before I'm dead.
You know, say, from I know myself, and this is no word of a lie. I never buy a pum-pum yet. And the closest I come to buy a pum-pum is homeboy carry me and him go some up a radio so they were back in the day. And him carry me go what you call it, you know them strip club close there.
Yeah, go club.
Strip club.
Go club, I mean, go try to thing and give a girl $100 send me I look some pum-pum. You know the girl though, take my money and say, you don't want nothing, man. I know some of them take the money from her, we just leave her with it. Because that's not my thing, but one boy, you know, everything will be a skirt, a one boy, that.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, man, just love person, man, I just love life, and we don't know how it end up down here, but it's really sad.
But say I see a muscle kill Bitty, and them used to kill Fowl.
Well, I don't know, but that's what that's where I hear from based on the voice note to you say.
I tell you that thing. You see the girl,
which part muscle come from?
Not Fowl, man. Muscle not come from Cockburn pen. Muscle was labor right there.
Okay.
That's how I him come from.
Oh, see a picture with him on the top.
Me have a whole of them pit. Alright, now I show you. Now I show you how him evil and them thing there. Because what them did want and them thing there, them want to kill, them want to Fowl for bring him son for them kill Fowl son. Me never hear nothing like that and them thing there. That's total disregard for life and them thing there. Totally dead. That was unacceptable. That's just cool, man. Yeah, that's unacceptable and them thing there. But you know, make the system work. Yeah. You understand? And Bitty I tell him say boy, if you just make it go on and everything, and then we make the system deal with it. And because Bitty I said peace. And them see man kill Bitty, you know, the girl that was there with Bitty, you know. The girl that was there with Bitty when them killed Bitty, you know. She da Canada, you know, and she a muscle woman now, you know.
Oh, where I say?
Me I tell her that, you know. I told where him come from, man. Original.
I don't know him, I honestly don't know him. Somebody name them, well, I know Bitty. I know Omar, but I don't know this muscle.
Well, him.
I don't know that person.
Well, a theme son on him Liney. A Liney kill Fowl and a Liney kill Oney. Them claim say a burro pay them for kill Oney.
Oh, sugar.
How many burro now? That's what you like, my brother.
I don't know the name them, and I don't know the first name. All the names that I know in that voice note.
Bitty.
Is my nephew. I know Bitty. I know homeboy, and I know one. Homeboy, I once heard I'm two bridging them that. Right now, I have a picture, and anytime I sound I go tour again, that picture I have it on my flyers with me in the middle, one's right next to me, and homeboy in the next to me. Even that year when I get married and it on a big screen in my wedding. I'm a friend them, man.
You married again?
Yeah.
So one to the first wife? One to your first wife?
Where's your papa?
One to your first wife?
Hello?
Yeah, man. Me not ask you one to your first wife.
Split up, man. They're not split up. The relationship does never work out. You know, relationship.
I saw it.
I'm funny enough in this when they call me.
Yeah.
When I first start talking to him, I just drive off out of your house. I did there with my daughter.
Yeah, so you know that's the end. We have come to the end of part 1. Part 2 is coming up, and you're going to listen for yourself, because we didn't splice anything, we didn't edit anything out of it. You understand? Unless it's to protect other people's identity. That has nothing to do with whatever happened with both men that were killed in Jamaica by father and son and other criminals from York Avenue, including a man by the name of Christopher Brother J. Ebert. Yes, Christopher Brother J. Ebert is a deportee from Canada. He was arrested twice in Canada and deported to Jamaica. I don't know how that man gets a clean police record to come to America and have the United States citizenship. We know his date of birth because all of us were together at the Jamaica Police Academy as cadets, and this man had made it known that he wants to kill me. Yes, I am not involved in any drug dealing. He wants to kill me because I'm an informer. Yes, when we were at the Jamaica Police Academy as cadets, with us interact. I have never socialized with this man. Even I was at Oney, and he lives in Seabright Gardens. Although I have known of this man, even committed a robbery alleged robbery in Cockburn when we robbed a woman her chain. Yes, her gold chain. She told me one day when she saw him at Oney, and I asked her if she wanted to make a report, and she was like, no, I don't want him kill me and them things, but him rob me. That's an allegation that was made to me, so you understand. So he's one of them. And then you have Muscle, who's in Canada. He was arrested and charged by Detective Rock Stevens at the time. And based on 1 and 2 little things that happened, we know what happened to Rock after. And I know that he did not tell the Canadian government that he was arrested and charged for illegal possession of firearm in Jamaica, so he hid that information. Because these people are not ethical, moral, and honest and decent citizens. If you know an honest criminal, I would like you to show me. Have yourself a beautiful day. Part 2 is coming up next. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.